They say, son, give me your number now.
Don't rock the boat.
I don't.
What's up, kids? First day out on the Barbara Ann. Putted outside the harbor. Here's Guilford and Bluffhead way off in the background. Looking up north towards Madison. And we got Faulkner's Island right out here. Hell yeah. Barbara Ann's not sprung any leaks yet. Little Nissan's working good. Got some rollers today. Pretty awesome, man. Pretty fucking stoked. Thank you, everybody. Made this happen possible. Dave, Neil, Pete, and a few others for sure. Thank you. Look at Faulkner's, ain't that pretty? A few boats out, not anchored or anything, just got outside the channel and kind of just staying put. Right in between Bluffhead and Faulkner's. I don't know how much gas I got. I don't want to try and push it and not make it back. So I'm just gonna chill out here, enjoy the show, rock the boat, listen to some toots. Whoa, yeah.
Exclusive.
Got some rollers, buddy. Whoa. Thimble Island's way down there. I don't know if I can zoom that. Nope. Beautiful. Stoked. Made it happen for the end of summer. Barbara Ann's floating. Floating and motoring. I'm gonna get onto the sails today. I'll mess with that another day when I got a sailor on board with me. All right, man. Check y'all out a little bit later. Hang loose. Rest in peace, Jimmy Buffett. Sorry you fucking blew out your flip-flop on a pop top, bro. Thanks for all the music from the Barefoot Nation. Hell yeah. Have a great Labor Day weekend, everybody. I know I am.